Welcome to this short maintenance video about the SC1 leaf pyrometer. Remove the sensor head from the console, as that's all we'll be working with today. Next, remove the desiccant chamber. Exhausted desiccant looks purple. Fresh desiccant should look bright blue. Make sure you get any crushed desiccant out of the threads of the chamber. Next, we're going to remove the O-ring. Place this somewhere where you can find it later because we'll need it. Next, we're going to take out the Teflon filter. There's no need to be gentle since we'll just replace that later. This will let us get at the agitation bead inside the diffusion path. Now we're ready to take apart the leaf clip. Use a spare hinge pin to push the current hinge pin out, take the top of the leaf clip off, and remove the spring. You want to replace your leaf pads periodically. These don't look too bad, but I'm going to replace them just as an order of regular maintenance. Once we get the screen out, we'll have full access to the diffusion path and can thoroughly clean it. Use only deionized water, as solvents such as alcohol can damage the relative humidity sensors. Make sure you give the sensor head plenty of time to dry after you've cleaned it out. Usually 15 minutes is enough. We're going to replace the leaf pads while our sensor head is drying. Get as much of the excess residue from the old pads off as is possible. Once you've removed the residue from the previous pad, you're ready to put your new pads on. Now we're ready to replace the screen. Position the screen over the diffusion path with the concave side up. Then gently push the edges into the diffusion path and push the middle downward. The screen should sit right at the top of the diffusion path where it doesn't interfere with the leaf, and it should seat firmly even if you shake the sensor. Replacing the spring can be tricky. That's why we included this half hinge pin to help you get the spring and leaf clip back into place. With the clip and spring in place, place the full hinge into the hinge hole and then work it into place, slowly pushing the half hinge pin out the opposite side. Use some hard flat object to make the hinge pins flush with the sensor housing. Place another agitation bead into the diffusion path and then replace the Teflon filter that we destroyed earlier. Now we're ready to replace the O-ring. Fill the chamber with fresh desiccant. Put the desiccant chamber back into your leaf pyrometer, and now you're ready to calibrate and take some readings.